What's going on, guys? As you can see, I got the baby jackhammers in. The size comparison between the two, so this is a normal jackhammer here. This is the baby normal here. As you can see, you got a considerably larger blade, and that hook, it doesn't look as different, but that hook on there is considerably different. This is a 5/0 hook, and this is a 3/0 hook, so I'm going to be putting a baby menace on the back, I think. We're going to go get on the water and see if we can catch a fish on the baby jack. Alright, we made it to the pond. Got me the baby jackhammer on a medium rod. I usually throw a normal jackhammer on a medium heavy, but I figured the medium, probably a 7-foot medium, would do a little bit better with, I think, 17-pound fluorocarbon. So without further ado, we're going to see if we can catch a fish on this. It definitely, I mean, obviously it doesn't kick as much as the normal jackhammer, but for that little blade, it kicks a lot, actually. It still hunts a little bit. I think if I had a different trailer, it'd hunt better. Whoa, not a bad one at all. That's my first one on the baby jackhammer. I saw him in the little drain there. Spooked him off. Sure enough, put that little baby jackhammer back in there and he ate it. Jeez. He got it good. I will say. This thing, it's a little bit different than normal jackhammer. Just because of the vibration. And like the vibration is more frequent. You feel the thumps from it, but I'm beginning to think they didn't like the storm that just came through. But he bit, so let's see if we can get another one. Thank you, buddy. Whoa. Okay, well, I mean, I figured there'd be one right in there. There's a current coming in there too, I think, based on the drain there. That's why I came over here, because the last one I caught was in the current too. This one's a bit bigger, so hopefully there's a couple more in there. Little guy, baby jack. Figured there'd be one there. We just had a big rain. Yeah, just had a big rain. Figured they'd be in the current coming in. And the baby jackhammer. There you go, buddy. Tiny guy. That is one theme I'm noticing, is the smaller bait, the smaller fish are able to get it. But fuck. Whoa. Okay. Got tangled up in my GoPro cable. Not a very big one. But I mean, I'd say honestly, it's just a smaller jackhammer. Thank you, buddy. Oh my
goodness, they're all tiny. Thank you, buddy.
We could break the record. I think 4. If I catch one more, we'll be at the record. I think a lot of
These buck males are up in this little spawning cove, and the water's up, so they're itching to push up. Oh. There's one. That's a bit better. Number 5. Yeah, I mean, they're chewing. They're up shallow today. At least the smaller ones. Let's see if we can get a big one.
Yesterday, I caught 2 fish.
Before I went during the rain, and you can see the aftermath of that rain. It's a lot higher of water. Thank you, buddy.
The baby jackhammer definitely
has its applications. I think
dirty water is probably not the best, but a clear water application, smallmouth, something where they've seen the normal jackhammer a lot, I think this bait will have a lot of its good characteristics. Compared to the mini max, it just hits harder, it thumps harder like a jackhammer should.
Oh my goodness, they're tiny. Oh. Oh, let's go. A bit bigger. That's number 7 I've landed. Last one. I mean, they're all tiny. I don't know. Compared to every other fish I've caught out here before, those are a little smaller than the average size, but could be because the conditions brought them all up to the bank, so I'll put up in one spot. Oh my goodness, there's another one. 8. Tiny. I saw one come out of the drain too. Hopefully there's a big one up here. Oh. 9, I think. Thank you, buddy. Poor eye. Yep. Right where he should be. But also tiny. 10. I don't know if it's just they're all up shallow today, or because I caught a good one yesterday. Oh, okay. That doesn't really count, but he was so far up in that drainage pipe, and the second he saw, I got him hooked a little bit on that side of the mouth. The second he saw that thing come in there, he had no choice. Jeez, I got him hooked good. Oh no, he is hooked on the inside of the mouth. Baby jackhammer, 2.5, 3 pounder, in that drain right there, way back in there.
Thank you, girl,
for making this a little bit better with size-wise. There you go. Bit better of one. Number 12. Not that big, actually. Thank you, buddy.
Alright guys, to wrap the video up, I just want to say I'm actually, pretty impressed. It's a jackhammer. Jackhammer is probably one of my favorite baits to throw. But I didn't know exactly how the baby jack would go, if it would be more gimmicky or anything like that. Because the blade is a lot smaller, so you'd think it wouldn't hit as hard, it wouldn't vibrate as good as the original jackhammer I have here. But what you do get with baby jackhammer is you still have that really aggressive vibration compared to at least the Mini Max chatterbait that they have. What I've noticed is it vibrates a lot faster. You can feel each individual vibration a lot faster than you do with the normal jackhammer. And then trailer-wise, you don't want to have something that's too overpowering, or else it kind of blows out if you have something that has too much kick, just because that blade is considerably smaller. So I went with a 3-inch Rage Baby Menace. I think anything that's about 3 inches that doesn't have too aggressive of a kick will probably work really well for you. If you guys liked that video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys